sits on his perch and he sings all day. And this is what he has to say. He says A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's what he sings to me, my parrot in the tree. Perry the parrot likes to sing the alphabet from beginning to end. He sits on his perch and he sings all day. And this is what he has to say. He says H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. That's what he sings to me, my parrot in the tree. Perry the parrot likes to sing the alphabet from beginning to end. He sits on his perch and he sings all day. And this is what he has to say. He says Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's what he sings to me, my parrot in the tree. Now you know your ABCs. Come along and sing with me. It starts with A and it ends with Z. Let's make sure everyone's ready. Damien, are you ready? I'm ready, Craig. Kids, are you ready? Yeah! All right, everybody, sing along with us and Perry. 1, 2, 3, 4. He sings A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Next comes H. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q's up next. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good, kids. Let's try that one more time. Perry wants to hear you sing it one more time. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H is next. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Here comes Q. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's what he sings to me, my parrot in the tree. Now you know your ABCs. It starts with A and it ends with Z. They'll help you speak and spell just right. You'll use them every day.